Syphon Coffee, ngopi dalam sekali klik.
Co-founder of Coffee Julies.
I'm Dave Petrillo. I'm the co-founder and president of Coffee Julies.
We were the 2011 Shopify Build a Business Competition Grand Prize winners. So we came up with Coffee Julies basically because we burned our mouths on coffee one too many times. We invented Coffee Julies to fix that problem.
A Coffee Julie is a stainless steel capsule that regulates the temperature of your coffee inside your coffee cup.
You put them in coffee when it's too hot to drink. It cools the coffee to the right temperature faster, storing the energy inside, and then when it gets to the right temperature, it starts releasing the energy, keeping it in the perfect temperature range longer.
So winning the competition was pretty great for us because we run our business totally bootstrapped.
The prize money was nice. We basically just plowed that back into the company to build up inventory.
And we have inventory in stock and we have a little bit of cash in the bank. So we're looking at our second half of the year as just an unlimited opportunity to do whatever we want.
It's been cool meeting Tim Ferriss, Gary Vaynerchuk. They all have good advice for us.
Those guys are really smart, and they've provided an introduction to the startup atmosphere that we didn't have before we won this competition.
Still in touch with Tim Ferriss now, so it's cool to get his feedback every now and then.
There's nothing stopping you from selling your product. What you really need is the functionality, which Shopify provides right from the get-go.
For us, I think the advantages of Shopify are just knowing that it's going to work reliably.
If you change a task from several months of designing a web page versus someone took care of all that for you, that is an enormous value. You can't really put a price on it.
Waking up at the crack of dawn has always been a thorn in my ass. But now I drink Coffeeist. A complete breakfast and coffee in one convenient bottle. Tastes like coffee.
Well, all right, Rodney. Time to wake up the world.
I thought we were supposed to wake him up.
He's drinking his breakfast again.
Oh, right. That's right. Keep him coming now. Oh, yeah. Get out there. Coffeeist. 20% of your daily nutrition and morning coffee in one bottle.